Have you delayed your plans to buy a house because of how competitive the market was over the past few years? If so, hear this. Today's market is so different. Here's a look at 3 trends that are good news for today's home buyers. Number one, you have more homes to choose from. Since the same time last year, the number of homes for sale is up roughly 50%. So finding what you're looking for today isn't nearly as hard as it would have been a year ago. Number two, bidding wars have eased. Last year, homes were getting an average of almost 4 offers each. Today, bidding wars have become rare. That means you may face less intense competition from other buyers right now. And number three, you have more negotiating power. 92% of recent sellers negotiated with buyers on things like lower prices, home repairs, and even covering closing costs and buying down the interest rate. With these trends, you've got something to get excited about. So if you're ready to kick off the home buying process, let's talk about all of these options and how you just might be in a position to take advantage of this market. Talk to you soon.